Okay, ready? Oi pessoal, tudo bom? Bem-vindo ao meu canal. No, okay. Hello everyone, my name is Greg, as you know, and today we are here with the wickedly talented one and only. Today we have a very special guest, the lovely, the wonderful, the beautiful. Say your name, please.
Sara Coelho.
Sara. So some of you may know her from one of my older videos. It was a cover of Almost Is Never Enough. And here she is. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh, it's recording.
Yes, recording. So Sarah actually lives in Brazil, and we are going to be trying a special challenge here. I will be trying a few Brazilian snacks, and I'm pretty excited because they all look good. And she chose all of these snacks, so we'll see how it goes. Oreos isn't Brazilian, but I don't think we have this flavor in the US, so let's try it.
Okay, wait. I think you should try this one first.
Oh yeah. First snack. Fandangush. Is that right? Fandango. That's like a...
No.
You know Fandango?
No.
Okay. Smells pretty good.
Yeah.
Alright, let's try it. I'm gonna be so full at the end of this game. Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
The flavor's not that strong, but...
Yeah, it's not that sugar.
There's a Filipino snack that's similar to this.
Oh yeah?
Uh-huh. Yeah, I want to try?
Okay. Oh, this looks like clover.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Good. But you're right, the flavor's not that strong.
I like that. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Okay.
Successful.
Let's begin with the salty ones. Better, right?
Yeah. We're gonna start with the salty snacks.
So the next one is going to be cebolitos. Because Brazilian know this one.
And this looks very similar to Funyuns, which is an American snack. And Funyuns are good.
Cebolitos
It's
are
onions.
better.
Cebolitos. That's nice.
It's good, right? It's better.
I need to buy some more of it. It's good. I don't know if it's better. It might be better. It has more flavor than Funyuns.
So it's better.
I like these.
Oh yeah. Pingo de ouro.
Pingo de ouro.
Let me see.
Sabor picanha grelhada.
Yes.
It says the flavor is what? That's a steak? A grilled kind of steak or something?
Yeah.
Let's give it a whirl.
It's really salty, but it's good.
Ooh, I can just smell. Wow, that like blew my mind for a bit. It's not what you think. Want to try it? The flavor kind of hits you because it looks like it's light, but it's not light at all.
So the next one, I think you should try Fini first. No, the cookies first.
Okay, next one. No, what is how you say it?
Negresco.
Negresco. Looks exactly like Oreos, but I guess it's different.
Yes, it's different.
Okay. It's like Oreos. It's a little different, but
It's different. It's not that sweet.
yeah, that's true. But still delectable. Alright, well first, let's take a little break. Let's take a little break and tell everyone how we first started talking.
Okay.
I think she was on YouTube looking for how to make a Wonder Woman tiara. And since I have a video of how to make it, she found me. And then she followed me on Instagram, you know.
And you followed me back at the same time.
Okay, I followed her back at the same time. And then I didn't talk to her for like a whole year. And then I messaged her finally, and I said she's really pretty. She said thank you.
My Instagram stories.
On her Instagram story, and then we just started talking. And here we are, trying negresco together. Alright. Okay, let's begin again. Alright, what is this?
Passatempo. It's another biscuit.
Passatempo recheado sabor chocolate. And there's little characters on it. And it's chocolate filled. I'm actually excited for this one.
It's good.
Hey, the whole thing or just bite it?
Just bite it. That's so sweet. Your mouth is all. Yeah,
The chocolate's really good. I think they can make it more chocolate and less biscoito.
Whoa, no, this is too sweet.
No, it's not. You want it?
No.
Passa frente, pô. Muito bom.
Muito
Muito bom. And we're breaking barriers here with that handshake. There's no race is not involved in passatempos. Next one is, okay, so Fini is the main brand.
Yeah.
And they make different stuff.
Yeah.
So Fini, beijos.
Yeah, candies.
What flavor?
Yeah.
Morango. Strawberry? Strawberry flavored. Here it is. Let's take a bite. I'm excited. This looks good. Mmm. Look good.
It's pretty good. I want more.
There you go. Sorry. 10 out of 10. Next snack.
Oh.
My mouth is exploding with flavor.
It's another Fini,
You want some ginger?
but the flavor is bananas.
Bananas. Fini. Bananas.
Bananinhas.
You can add English to any
everything.
English word and it will become Portuguese. Bananinhas.
Panizinho.
What is it? Let's try it.
You put everything
We're not supposed to?
if you want.
It's good. It really tastes like banana. So another Fini snack, candy, acid tubes, acido tubes.
You need help.
No. Oh, that's sour. That's sour at first. I like it.
Yeah, it's really good. Which Fini do you like the most?
I want to take another bite of this and then I'll give you my final answer.
Okay.
What? That's sour. That's
Yeah.
sour to me. But if I had to choose, I'm going with the beijos. Looks like we have 2 more to go, guys. We can take a break. Anything you want to say to the people of YouTube?
How you two? You should try beach first.
Okay.
Brazilians love this. Beach.
Beef.
Is that focus?
Like, let's go to the... Just so you guys know, I'm also doing a Brazil vlog of this whole trip. Because this video is probably going to come out first.
Oh, okay.
So you guys should stay tuned for that. Beef.
It's like Kit Kat,
Ooh, is it?
but better.
Oh, and it's all in its own little packaging.
I don't think it's better, but it's really good.
I'm excited. Here it is. Beef. Let's do this.
One.
Cheers.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
It's beach because you eat one and you wanna eat another one and another one.
What does beef mean?
Like that. Do it again. Or
Again.
something again.
Can you use it in a sentence, please?
When you sing, like you just sing.
I just, okay.
And I say beach because I
Oh.
want it again. You know.
Got it.
I say beach because
Kind of,
it's kind of old, this
Old.
expression, but they used to use this word in theaters.
okay.
You know.
Little history lesson there. Last one.
Okay, I have to explain that this is 2 types of chocolate in one. Like Diamante Negro is one and Laca is another one. One is white chocolate and one is dark chocolate. And they are together here, so you can taste both at the same time.
I see.
You know.
So wait, is Laca, do they sell just Laca?
Yeah.
And they also sell just Diamante
Yeah.
Negro. There is the double layer. How do you say cheers in Portuguese?
Um brinde.
What is it?
Brinde.
Brinde? Brinde. I like it. It's crunch. There's a crunch inside. It's like little crunchy stuff.
It's really good.
Very sweet.
It's chocolate.
We also have another snack that we're gonna try, that she's gonna try for the first time ever. You guys won't believe it. Thank you. She has never tried Reese's, whatever you want to call it, peanut butter cups. This is like gold in America.
Oh really?
Let me try this Oreo first.
Okay.
Then you'll go. So I want to save that for last because that seems like the most important. All right, Oreos, sabor milkshake, de morango. I've eaten many of these in my day. Okay.
I think it's better than the normal one.
No.
I think it is. What's your favorite one? Of the salty one and the sweet tea.
This wins salty snack of the year.
Okay.
And out of the sweet ones,
it's better you shoot the chocolate and then the fini.
yeah.
Okay.
So out of the chocolate, probably this one. So my mouth is so filled with flavor. Laca and diamante negro. And out of the fini, beijos.
Mm-hmm.
And out of everything,
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna give the winner to. Well, the way I feel right now, this is the winner.
So you prefer salty?
Maybe, yeah, salty snacks.
Oh.
I love sweets, but if to eat all the time, I would do this.
Oh. Okay.
All right, everyone. Time for the big moment here. Here it is, guys. Everyone, it's a big
I
moment.
think this is going to be taste like chocolate and paçoca.
What's paçoca?
Paçoca is that sweet of peanuts.
Mm.
Yeah, it's like paçoca.
You like it?
Chocolate. Yeah, it's good.
She's officially tried Reese's, everyone. Give her a round of applause, everyone. Alright, well I think that is it for this video. Anyway, overall, Brazilian snacks, 2 thumbs up. Everyone, come to Brazil, enjoy these snacks. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you again, Sarah. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.
Obrigada por assistir. Tchau. Come on, Greg.